So I'm going to give you a quick tour of my van as it looks today after today's part of the camper van rebuild. And we'll start off with a look down here. That's all my stuff that I took out. And I've got some more stuff down there, and there's a bin full of junk which occurred. Found things which I don't really need anymore. A lot of it's some trade fairs. I feel really bad about throwing away printed material as well. And there's more stuff to come in here, and that's what the garage looks like at present. The ladder's out because we had to get on the ladder, or get on the roof I should say. And let's have a look inside now at what it looks like. So, haven't done a lot of cleaning up here yet. Well, in fact, I haven't done anything. I'm going to now start filling the drawers full of my stuff. So, they're empty at present. But now I'm going to fill them up. Normally, or every time, not normally, every time I've done this in the past, I've done it in a hurry. So I'm looking forward to that. Coming back here, so that's where my hanging space is. Unfortunately, it's already full, and we haven't got a handle on the door yet. But it's joined, attached, let's say, by magnets. There's just one, a magnet. You can see it's full. Got my suits in there and other things. And down here, we've got this thing here, which I think is brilliant. There we go. Slidey out thing. And on the, let's look at the ceiling. So we put this insulation up today. This here, that went up, well, it was the last, it wasn't today, it was the day before, last time we were doing something. And this thing here went up today as well. This I think is a bit of a straw pavilion really. And that gives the space there. Still needs a bit of a clean out though. Work's going to have to be done on that. That was here before. And this as well, this is really good. So I've got all this extra space which I didn't have before, and that's thanks to removing the two chairs that were backward facing. Now these two chairs here come from a van, and a delivery van, and so we're going to upholster them of course, and then to make it a bit nicer. And that bit at the bottom, the stand, we're going to build a bit more storage under there. I think that's the sort of place you don't expect to find the water. Perhaps it would have been the best place in our case as well. But the water is there under the, there's the water. And I've got some storage under the water as well, which is unusual. Steps up, that was a temporary structure. So that's going to be done as well. And for the shower, I'm not going to put a door on. I was thinking about putting a sliding door on, but there just isn't any space for it. So instead of a sliding door, I'm just going to put the curtain up. It's usually me here by myself anyway. One thing we did, we had some more of this wood, and gave it away. Now I forgot we're going to need it for the steps, so I'm going to have to buy some more. And here we've got a slidey thing. I stuck some of my stuff in there earlier. Anyway, I'll have to sort of tidy it all up now, decide what's going to go where. I think the bedding's going to go up there. Haven't decided what's, I suppose shirts and things should go there, or socks down there. At the back here, I'll show you this quickly, there's a pile of stuff waiting to go somewhere up there. And as you can see, took the lockers out. That was an idea of mine, putting the bar up there after driving the Heimer van and the small one, and I thought that'd be good for hanging space, but it's not really a particularly good idea. Having said that, I've got more than I've got memory foam mattress, and I've got the mattresses it came with down here. So, and I also tend to sleep on my towels, that being a good place to actually keep them. Right, so there's a quick look at my van, and now I'm going to have to put all that stuff there into the van, and that'll be left out for the refuse collectors to take away.